ẹ màmá kó àsìkò yẹn mọ́ òótọ́ ajíire ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kó àsìkò yìí o abẹ́ẹ̀rí nǹkan ni bí wọ́n ṣe ní kí bàbá wa Ọ̀wọ̀ Adé Aláàfin ti ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ tí wọ́n ní kí wọ́n bọ́ sọ́hùn wọ́n ní kí wọ́n sún sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kí ìgbìnẹ̀dọ̀ bàbá ìgbìnẹ̀dọ̀ kí wọ́n lè ráyè ìjókòó. Mi ò máa rí special welcome mi ò rí o mi ò máa rí special àga mi ò máa rí special abẹ́ẹ̀rí special àga ni abẹ́ẹ̀rí special welcome bàbá náà tún ti lọ sí birthday kọ́ ni bàbá wa náà ti lọ sí birthday kò sí tó burú jù ń bẹ̀ náà ọba máa ń bá gbìyàn ṣe náà ni bọ̀ ṣé wọ́n bá ṣe wá ní kí bàbá wa dìde ṣé wá bójúmọ́ báyìí àbí bóyá ara Ọ̀yọ́ ló lóko náà dẹ̀ náà ní náà kò àbí tó nílé.
Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with your friends to have access to this kind of content that you have here. Don't forget to subscribe. I love and respect you. I'll be right back.
With registration number Lagos JJJ295JY, kindly repark your vehicle. Kindly repark your vehicle to remove the obstruction we're currently witnessing in the entrance into this arena. Kindly repark your vehicle. As we make progress, we will definitely do justice to the necessary introduction of all our dignitaries that are here present. But permit me, as we await the arrival of the celebrant, I'd like to call him the birthday boy. Let me quickly acknowledge the presence of the Deputy Governor of Edo State, His Excellency, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa. Please give him a round of applause, Your Excellency. Thank you. Thank you for staying faithful. Thank you for commitment.
Ẹ̀ńtọ́ni kò ṣètò tó lóun ò ṣètò tó padà wá ṣètò tó bàbá no dey shake hands o bàbá tiwa no dey shake hands o but in this video bàbá shake hands o ọmọ kútí kò lè pa ọmọ àrùn tárùn ò lè ṣe ẹlẹ́wù ẹ̀tù wọn bàbá ti ń juwọ́ bàbá ti ń shake hands bàbá no dey shake hands before bàbá no dey shake hands now bàbá tiwa no dey shake hands o bàbá tiwa ikú bàbá yìí no dey shake hands o ọmọ kútí kò lè pa ọmọ àrùn tárùn ò lè ṣe ẹlẹ́wù ẹ̀tù wọn bàbá mi Ọ̀wọ̀ Adé bàbá tiwa no dey shake hands o. Kí ni bàbá ṣe? Bàbá ti ń juwọ́ bàbá ti ń gbọ́wọ́ bàbá ti ń juwọ́ olólùfẹ́ gbìyànjú ọmọ ìyá ni wá ẹ̀yin Ọ̀yọ́ wa ọmọ ìyá ni wá ẹ jẹ́ kí bàbá kí wọ́n lọ bá bàbá wọn kí wọ́n fọwọ́ sọra wọn pọ̀ kí wọ́n sọra wọn di ẹyọ kan kí wọ́n ṣera wọn ní òṣùṣù ọwọ̀.
Thank you for your dedication. We also want to recognize very especially the Speaker, Edo State House of Assembly, right on you. We thank you for creating the time to be here. We'd like to recognize the member representing Oredobo, the member representing Ovia Northeast Constituency to Edo State House of Assembly. Thank you for your presence. Thank you for your presence.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.